What's up, guys? Today I'm gonna be showing you how you can fish in the lava map down there. So, cause they added a new update, Chinese New Year update, with the new fishing rods, the lava fishing rod and the radioactive, and then the radioactive fishing rod. So yeah. You're just gonna want to get like a teleport gun, get some goop and a umbrella, and put your lava fishing rod in a bag, like this and stuff. So just like get all this stuff. You're gonna get. So here, let me show you. You're gonna get a teleport gun. You're gonna get a bag, a piece of goop from your stash if you don't own it, and then an umbrella. I think, yeah. And then you're gonna wanna just put that right there, and then put it like that. Put it like open the umbrella so it's like open while it's closed, but while it's open, it's like just like that. And get a teleport gun as well. So let's go. You gotta have your lava fishing rod in here though. So just like I'm pretty sure it's like somewhere around here or something. Or right here maybe. Yeah. What this is. Oh, there it is. If you see like that, like vault thingy down there, just keep on teleporting down. Yep, there it is. Right here. And then once you like teleport down far enough, with the lava sound, that means you're here. And get your skeleton. Okay. We're here. Now, we're gonna And then once you're at the lava map, you can just like throw it in, throw your lava map in. And then just wait. Just gotta wait. Actually, I'm gonna put some bait. Don't ask why I have 322 wallet bait registered. Oh yeah, blue one. There is also a new bait. No, I don't think so. Look at this. Yes. Now all the fishies are gonna work. I'm falling. Up. That one's hard. This one's hard. Okay. Let's go. Come on, fishies. I'm not gonna end the video until I get a fish. Be careful to not fall, because fall. No. Okay. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna try and get a fish. If I can move on. Please. Come on. Come on, fishies. Come on, fishies. But you know what I mean. Just like, you know. That's what you gotta do to get here. Just like, you know.